Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you how does activity status work on Instagram. So first of all we will open up the Instagram application, and then we will first of all we will actually turn it on. So we will tap on the profile image onto the bottom right, and then we will click on these three lines onto the top right and click on settings and then click on privacy. And if you scroll down you will see activity status, and now you can see that mine activity status it is turned off. So activity status is basically a symbol which other people can see that you are currently active on Instagram. Okay, so if this is turned on you won't be able to see the users of Instagram activity status. So if I turn it on here, allow accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last active or are currently active on Instagram apps. When this is turned off you won't be able to see the activity status of other accounts. So this is basically just like the last seen on WhatsApp. So now if we go back and go into my messages here, I will tap on messages here, and if I like refresh it, so this is my messages list, and here you can see this symbol here, which shows this person is uh, currently online on Instagram. And if I go back again into my activity status and click on the privacy and then click on the activity status and I turn that off, and I again go into the messages here, and if I like refresh it you will see that now this activity status is gone. So that's how activity status work on Instagram. So guys, if you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.